This ESP32 dev board has two USB-C ports. For one chip, why does it need both? First USB, it goes to this 6-pin chip, a USB to serial converter. The converter talks to the ESP32 over plain UART, just two wires, TX and RX. Classic, dumb, bulletproof. The other USB skips all that. It plugs straight into the ESP32. The C6 has USB built right into the chip. Native USB is faster, does HID, JTAG, mass storage, but it needs working firmware. The bridge USB always works, even if your code crashes. Two USBs, one smart, one bulletproof. Follow for more deep dives.